For years, the Attleboro Council on Aging has been working to support the elderly within the Attleboro community. Over the last decade, through the hard work of its small staff, grants, and volunteer work, the Council has been able to greatly expand the services available to seniors. Director Madeleine McNeilly was recently honored for her contributions to the Attleboro community by the Massachusetts Commission of Women. She was awarded with the Unsung Hero Award in a ceremony at the Massachusetts State House. We spoke with her to find out more about the occasion.
My name is Madeleine McNeilly. I'm the director of the Attleboro Council on Aging. I've been director since 2001. We presently have 8,000 seniors in the city of Attleboro, age 60 and older. The city provides 4 full-time staff at the senior center, which includes myself, the assistant director, 2 full-time outreach workers. We also have part-time staff, which include nutrition coordinators and a recreation assistant at the center. I was honored recently at the State House by the Mass Commission of Women. The award is called the Unsung Heroine Award. The Mass Commission of Women is a state-appointed commission of approximately 19 volunteers. They're appointed by the governor, the Senate and the House leaders, and other state leaders. The program honored approximately 16 heroines, women throughout the Commonwealth from various communities who had such wide-ranging contributions. I was nominated for the contributions that I've made to the city of Attleboro and for all of the additional programs that we've created since I've been here to provide a decent and quality of life for our elders, which, by the way, includes myself. When I started here in 2001, September 11th occurred very shortly after my appointment. And as we all know, there was a significant amount of federal funding that was immediately diverted from programs that went to Homeland Security. And we were immediately impacted on a local level. We've been very lucky that the mayor and the city council and our city officials recognize the importance of the services that are provided. We are currently looking at and scrutinizing elder abuse and how we can communicate to the public at large what the scope of the need is and how to report it. We are also working on emergency preparedness. September is Emergency Preparedness Awareness Month, and I'm working very closely with MEMA, the State Massachusetts Emergency Preparedness Organization, and our Emergency Preparedness Director, Chief Scott LaChance, to provide those services for our elderly population. At the Council on Aging, since I've been here, we have brought in well over $1 million through grants, and we continue to write those grants. And I will tell you that I'm constantly reminding the mayor and city council that it's not as much writing those grants as administering them. That is very time-consuming. There is no one person that manages the services for the senior center. It definitely takes a team. Our core group of volunteers, we have approximately 85 volunteers who give us over 10,000 hours of volunteer service. And a board of directors, that is my sounding board, that calms me down, gives me sage advice, and certainly supports me. So we have a wealth of resources in the city that support senior services. What I have seen change is that the senior center is definitely a social service agency. We are working very hard at better communication, getting that message out about the scope of services that we do offer. Whenever there is a need that's identified, we've been extremely fortunate to have an organization immediately step up to fill the gap. So for all those organizations, I wish to thank you.